Come test drive the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, driver attention alert system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.